and my cat Marcel chooses my and Separate Llama's gameplay. This is where we land: Darth Vader Solitude, Resistance Base, First Order Base, and this place. I put it all with food. Okay, this is the cat. Here. Marcel, come on, choose. And here he is, choosing, and now let's see what he eats. Bro, he eats Darth Vader Solitude. It's Darth Vader Solitude. Second match Outpost and Clever. And then it's that was the window. As first he chose it common, then uncommon, rare, and then he chose epic, fourth. But we have only 3 matches. But uncommon he eat it the last. Like look, he was eating over there the last. That's what means uncommon, rare, and final match epic. Weapons, no mythic and no legendary, no lightsabers.
You didn't even write lightsabers.
Lightsabers, it's like legendary and mythic. That's why no lightsabers. Okay, gonna do a funny thing. More sound. Okay, also like
Get out!
No, not everything that we here delete. Oh, there's physio builds. Okay, just go. Okay, first we land at. First we got uncommon plus Samurai Darth Vader. We cannot use even his lightsabers.
That's trash then.
Plus, there's not really like weapons that are really like the most.
Do we use epic first?
No, we first use. Not epic. We first use it uncommon. I just forgot that. Okay, now we're in game.
So after that in Star Wars, I see.
In Darth Vader.
We're cooked.
First Darth Vader launches lightsaber. Second, we should land at like. Why did you jump off?
Tell him to go.
You have. That was a bad idea. You know why?
Right.
Look, if I do from here, I drop out really fast, down really fast, and plus you're gonna land really close to Darth Vader and come to me. That's gonna make you pretty much stupid. Oh my god, my internet speed is so bad. Oh, I cannot see anything.
You're cooked already.
Okay, now as I land pretty much. Okay, first we gotta eliminate all the players in this.
I really want to take rare.
And where are you? First eliminate all players.
I almost took rare.
Take no rare. Second, don't worry. After we're going.
Please be.
I got uncommon. All of their weapons gonna be blue, okay? That you do not expect rare. Oh shit, Darth Vader. Get away, get away, get away, get away, go. Dirt. Is all players eliminated?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, I know. He's. Oh my god, he blocked it like it's nothing. Oh, I eliminated Dark Fighter. Oh, do you want to get his alloy?
We're not allowed.
Still take it, kinda.
I cannot. Oh, I had to ice come. I forgot.
You go. Now we're going to get inside. Now you can throw a red lightsaber. You can just say that. I don't know. It's.
Let me kill him.
Sorry, I want. Okay, you can kill him, but fast. Okay.
Oh, that was slow. Then he got killed like nothing.
Also, we need to literally to find heals are rare.
I need heals at first, and I hear players like.
Oh wait, I think you need to heal very much.
Yeah,
Where
I have
are-
15 hearts.
Wait, I'm gonna
Just-
help you. No, wait for me. Okay, ready? Wait, player. First,
Oh, I need this.
yeah,
Really?
get it. And heal up, okay?
He's cooked.
Yeah, also, wait, can I just try? Oh, you can drink those things.
I'm ready to hold
Wait,
first.
I'm gonna give you 1, 2. I drink only 1.
Villager is so strong.
Wait, wait for me for a second. Wait, I'm gonna give you something. Wait, I thought that would heal us both. That's only. Wait, you can drink. Oh, players landing over here.
Oh,
For-
that's no problem for me.
That's a big problem. They could take the spaceship.
Oh, I'm taking that.
First, eliminate the players.
Give me this.
Help me! Help me! Help me, bro! Why did you leave without me? Heal!
Get out.
Revive me! Revive me! Okay, now ready? I'm gonna
Wait,
take-
I'm gonna give you something.
No. Oh yeah, give me. Okay, good job. Now get in. Wait, I'm riding. That's not. Come on,
Okay, I'm
ride
gonna-
it. Ride it. Ride it.
Come on. Get on.
Wait, come on, just go really fast. Boost.
I cannot. How?
There's boost. I think that's just what. Hey. Oh, no. Yeah. Fast. No, you
We're in
got.
the city, but I'll go far.
Yeah, let's go really far. Something here, there.
Where?
Mark?
Oh my gosh, players sitting us.
First, get fly. Boost. A. Oh shit! I
Oh
got.
my.
Oh, come on, boost again.
We gotta go.
Wait, get it on the bridge. On the bridge.
I
Help
choose
me.
right now.
Heal me up. Just because if it exploded, like it one shot, when it explodes. Wait, look.
It's good that I get it out before it even exploded me.
Wait, get in over here.
Wait, don't.
No, fishing rod. Come on, get. Now we need to get on that bridge, okay? And second, let's get in your.
It's broken.
No, it's not broken. It's repaired. Let's get it after, and then we gotta do this fast, okay? Get.
Already here. No.
Oh, it's rare. I'm not allowed to use that.
You take the loot. I'll make sure nobody's trying to steal our flying thing.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Now let's go.
Okay.
At the place I marked it. Can I fly it?
Okay.
Okay, fly. Get in. Don't worry.
Yeah, it's so insane beyond
Wait.
this.
Why is I cannot boost. Oh my god, it's so hard. No,
Just
because,
wait till you get it up.
Yeah, now.
Oh, nice. That's good. Do we have an NPC?
No NPC. We have no NPC. That's no. Oh, red lightsaber
Where?
over there.
You can take it.
Wait, we are not. I'm not allowed. Really, we need to get over there.
But I have a red lightsaber.
Yeah, that's that you can launch that. Oh no, they're getting to the at place. We need to go to the city place. No,
Where? What? At place? What in the world that
that's
means?
a restaurant or something.
Oh man.
I need to also. That's a boost.
I'm practicing my lunches.
Should we go to at? I think it's better to not go.
Yo,
blue lightsaber also not allowed. Wait, we are right now only green things. When it's gonna be rare, we will be allowed to use blue lightsabers.
Why? Oh,
because they're blue. And just.
Why do you have this red lightsaber? We're not even getting anything good.
Okay, first go find a parking spot. Where should go? I think we should kind of go there. Where should we land? We need to first to plan where we're going. Kappa.
Bro, what the hell?
Okay, we got fly.
Just land over there in the big hole.
First, no, we are not landing in the big hole.
Oh my gosh. Just put boost.
Wait, no. We're gonna crash it if we do that. Now landing. Oh no, land. Now
it's literally barely almost touching.
Yeah, when we're gonna take off, we got first we gotta heal up. What is your health? 24. Okay, here's
24.
one.
My health.
You're gonna need that thing. Okay.
Yo, get your weapon back.
Also, we will be needing to go first. You protect that thing, okay?
Big ginormous thing
that we fly. Okay, you protect it. Okay. Darth Vader is black, kinda like gray. That's why we can use that. Okay, I got kicked out of the game.
I see so now.
Why didn't also? Okay, pretty much because I got kicked out, we lost. We're gonna play after, okay? This game without doing the video, okay? Let's leave. Goodbye. Super game.
Are you serious right now? I just did that. I almost died for this thing, and you got kicked out. This is dumbbells.
Okay, now return first going to Battle Pass. Maybe I'm just gonna purchase. Alright. I just realized something. It's chapter 6, mini season 1. It changed. It's not chapter 6, season 3. It's MC1 for mini season 1. Okay, so pretty tell him I got back with ice cream. That's ice cream. Just that is small. Orange ice cream. Okay. Now we are landing at Outpost Clever with rare weapons. Now we are allowed for blue lightsabers. It kind of was good if we landed right now over there. You know what?
Good if you not get kicked out.
Yeah, I know. This
You think that Fortnite kicked the
second match with uncommon and with the rare weapons and outpost and clever. Third time filming this separate llama got out of the video. You move, everybody, let's go. And bring on the run. Bring on the pretty much. So, we're dropping. Boom. Okay, maybe see. Okay, pretty much right now I'm like searching for rare weapons. I'm gonna keep that until I find the rare weapons. This is the worst spot to find rare weapons. This E11, 32 damage. No way. That's like the biggest, like the rarest weapon of all times. I cannot deny the E11. Rarest item of chapter 6 mini season 1. Legendary E11. E11 literally get dropped by no it does not get dropped by any bosses and everything, that only by chests. Like I know maybe it's one of the rarest because shot like this and the sniper you can get by trading with things and everything by some people, and pretty much like shotgun, not know if we can trade it or and even 11, but if you get like some weapons by the chest, like E11, it's rare that it get dropped by chest, and I use E11 or also dropping those. I'm gonna only use E11 and everything. Okay, pretty much E11 is so rare that shotgun kind like E11. I got it less times than a shotgun. But E11 maybe shotgun is rare because shotgun I never saw like higher than blue shotgun, but pretty much shotgun it's kinda easier to get. That if you open more chests, you will more like get shotguns. Also, we are allowed in this time with blue lightsaber rating. Just get faster there. No, I need to pretty much like the shotgun. You can open a lot of chests and you will get more chance to get shotgun, and all of those times you open them, you could get like some E11. Some stormtroopers could drop E11, but never a legendary one. The same, I think, for shotgun. Okay, now where is Blue Lightsaber? Blue Lightsaber on my way. On my Blue Lightsaber. It's blue, like rare. That's a I can get important. Now I train to get the Blue Lightsaber. That's a legendary weapon. And that's a mythical weapon. Come on. He's doing the gray weapons challenge only. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know I'm using like E11, but that's a the lightsaber shotgun. Alright, how much does he do? Okay, pretty much. It's messages from shoot. It's Rishi. Yeah. Okay, now gotta fly. Okay, where can I fly? Super seats. More chance to get blue weapons. Engines. No, I need to go to gas station. Found. One engine is okay. If this engine is kind of that kind of like, then it means that it's gonna be the spaceship gonna be pushed kind of like because it's kind of appears. Now it's healed up completely. Okay, little bit of damage, okay? Second, we're gonna fire this and break. Oh, no. Yeah, boost. Blue lightsaber. Legendary E11. One of the rarest weapons of all time. Ah. How did I get damage when I have lightsaber? That should give me immunity to... How did I get eliminated when I got... By what weapon could... Okay, but... yeah. Felt taken by a legendary E11. E11. Really rare weapon. Super rare. Okay, now this is the final match where I do the epic weapons at... How it's called again? The First Order base. Okay, epic first. E11 got be beaten and got to like you should give me a free victory royale because of that E11. I should not be get eliminated. He should die because of that. That's too OP. That's because I eliminated with E11. Also because I got eliminated by not by E11. Like I got eliminated. So I cannot see any. Okay, I'm re-entering Fort. Wait, gun speed test 100 megabyte by second. 30. Oh, I got reset. No, that's bad. Okay, 88 used. What's a sign thing? Videos. That sign thing is the most. Okay, re-entering Fortnite. Deleted something too unused, like apps. And pretty much like that guy. Again, Fortnite. Then gone do the final challenge. Okay, start of the challenge was easy. Then, like, no, I won't say. Start was hard. First, getting Martel out of his box. Also, make him not think that it's a scam. And plus, to not get attacked by Marcel. And I still did not get attacked with Separate Llama when he started. Also, second, to get like pretty much when we started like recording and playing Fortnite. First match was kind of hard, like the start of the match, and then it was the easy, and then I got kicked out. Because of that, we need to like stop the video. What is? How? Bro, that pickaxe is so rare. It's a reverse pickaxe. How much V-Bucks for a reverse pickaxe? Oh. Okay, come on. Come on. Yeah. No, go on, drop it there. Now my lines. No, go. We're gonna like eat. Let him get it. Fine. I do not like really like just land and then like I find no like epic weapon. No, that's or legendary weapon. Just land and then I get legendary weapon. That's not that easy to get. Okay, pretty much I already got an epic weapon. The Shaggy Green weapon. But not a weapon. Not a weapon. The season is the most like season of all time. Did you shoot it? I don't do. Okay, epic weapon. he gets. Gotta find epic gifts. Now use those weapons. Also, I'm gonna. Wait, what does the? No. Oh no, this is. No epic. No epic. Those are like really close to it. Until I find epic, I'm gonna use them. Wait, grenade is not a weapon. I want to pull. Oh. First, gonna get a free skin. First order. Yeah, how much I like this? The first order, like this, is not out as a skin. That's why it's good that I can wear it. I can wear it. I heard we need to connect Disney account and lots of like just. I do not know how really to do that, and I'm scared that I lose my account. Like I lost my Brawl Stars account one time. Then until my third account. Yeah, every Brawl Stars video that I made, it was like my third account. That's my first. Okay. Whatever, first need to get out of the storm. Oh yeah, wait, I know I'm getting attacked, but in one Star Wars film, that saved Luke Skywalker in the second. No, it's in the fifth. Luke Skywalker from dying because of the snow. Okay. First gotta find a Pico or Dark. Okay, it's one gun. Usually it's kinda purple. For me, okay. Okay. Why it's kinda purple? Answer is it's kinda purple for a stormtrooper that is you know, a clone that becomes a site. Yeah, really. Okay, pretty much. Now I'm gonna land some over here. Yes, here. Now stop. Oh shoot. Land. Completely landed. Now I gotta break this hot wire cannon. Yeah. Move. Medkit. First go away. It kills me. Now opening. Still no. Okay. Guys, I think I pretty much I gotta fake my death here and just do like this, and then I'm gonna drop my medallion and get out of here and get also I got like make a really good timing with somebody's big attack. Okay, gotta wait for somebody to die. Come on, die, somebody die. Oh, yeah, somebody died. No, I did like, I faked my death so people think that but not gonna work. Well, I know it was kind of like, why did I fake my death when like you know, and I fly away. Pretty much I will not be flying like away. This just like gone just to like I died to like when somebody gets here, just gonna go and attack him. No, not here. I should be. Yeah. Yes, here. Perfect place. Somewhere. Yeah, that's the cave. First. Okay. How do we mark? Yeah. Mark. I pretty much tested out this first order skin. Why did I left that place? Much people think that that's a trap. It's over there. I know this. And he got that skin. He died. That makes me remember one trailer of Star Wars when like the bounties came into Fortnite, and pretty much Petey was standing on that cliff and then got frozen, and pretty much like right now, if you think of that, pretty much like that is really much like that part of Star Wars. Bro fell to his death. The 7 players remain. Unlimited power. He's dead by unlimited power. First, then go closer to that medallion. Where's the come? Yeah. Some people came. Grabbed only the flyer. Who's gonna fly? Trap war. The trap worked. Okay. I know, like you can see, it wasn't even a trap. But pretty much like for it was kinda like trap for players, like a player gets still tries to kill me. Now use this, and he dies. Now, do you believe that it was really like a trap? Bless you, I tricked it. How much I have? I'm not doing what's this? This guy. Yeah. Keep it. Also, Star Wars can save our island from this thing because he mined close to this, and that could make it that it break. There was a jump pattern. And now go turn this around. That ship follows me. Okay, forward it. That's a not shit. Yeah, you know what? Die. I don't think that whoever rides it knows how to fix it. Okay, no. Oh shit, he knows how to shoot. That should block me from fall damage. But whatever. Do not fire at me, okay? Chill. First player here gotta I know there's a player close to here. Oh, yeah. This is my special plan. Yeah. Yeah. Victory Royale. Marcel, you are a great cat. Help me to win Victory Royale. Also, I'm getting back to lobby. Let's see how much I leveled up. My umbrella. I think it's Star Destroyer. Yeah. Marcel, you're the best guy officially. Like, the season, it's only like third day. I knew that it was pretty much like it's the third day. I still been trash, but because of Marcel's challenge, I won. Marcel is the best cat. Wait. See what? Yeah. Also, but I like with this. For the normal, when you not use the skin, he will not do this. But when you use his skin, it's gonna look like Hey, not to that. Okay, whatever. I got a victory royale for the season. That's pretty much cool. Subscribe, guys. I like another my stands thing. Okay, chicken. I think I can do pretty much. What is this? Subscribe, guys.